As both sides continue to fight over abortion, there's a new concern: whether personal data could be used in prosecutions. Reporter Geraldine Torrellas has the story on this issue that people may not be aware of.
In a post-Roe America, data experts and reproductive rights advocates are worried about technology being used to prosecute people who seek an abortion. But should you be rushing to delete your apps or encrypt your emails?
People should be very concerned about their data privacy right now.
Cybersecurity expert Eva Galperin says there are reasons to worry about how personal data might be used now that Roe v. Wade has been overturned. A study released in August found that text messages and browsing histories were used as evidence in criminal cases involving self-managed abortions. Post-Roe, some are cautioning women to stop using medical apps like period trackers, but that isn't Galperin's main concern.
It's not the smoking gun. It's just part of a whole constellation of evidence.
The most immediate threat might be common methods of daily communication. Notes through email, text, and Facebook Messenger could be used against someone in court. Data experts have suggestions for safeguarding that information.
That is the advice of being careful who you trust, compartmentalize any efforts towards ending your pregnancy, use end-to-end encryption with disappearing messages turned on.
Experts and advocates warn that everyone should be aware of their data footprint, with a growing concern for those who may not want an abortion, but due to unforeseen circumstances, find themselves seeking one.
You don't go into that situation thinking, oh, I might need to worry about my data privacy, right? You're thinking about, oh, I'm so excited, I'm pregnant, I'm gonna have, I'm developing what may be my child.
With people being more cautious about the way they communicate, data experts are worried that law enforcement may turn to other measures to gather evidence.
We are very afraid that we're going to start seeing things like location dragnets, where the law enforcement simply asks for everyone who has been to the Planned Parenthood in the state across the border. And that is extremely worrisome.
Experts advise individuals to just be mindful about how they're communicating with reproductive providers and even how they pay for procedures.
I think it's very important for people to really familiarize themselves with their data footprint, and for companies to step up and protect people so that we don't have to become, Jason Bourne, in order to preserve some sort of bodily autonomy.
Instead of deleting medical apps, experts suggest looking closely at the privacy policies before using them and entering personal information. In the newsroom, Geraldine Torrellas, Cronkite News.